Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the StarTech 40-piece toolkit for laptops and mobile devices. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you of this product so you can make an informed buying decision. So we'll start by just taking a quick look at the box. Nice plain packaging here. You can see the part number is the laptop-tool-kit. So nice and easy to remember, and it's comes supplied in that box with some regulatory information and then of course the toolkit itself. Really nice case this is in, very cool indeed. Keeps everything nice and tidy. The thing I like about this is when we pull this tab at the front, it's not like a swing type lid, it's not on a hinge, and I like that because it means you can remove the lid and we can turn this over and actually use this for components. So that's a really good feature. So you can use this to put all of the various screws, etc. in the lid. So very cool indeed. And then of course, we've got all of the various tools in here. Very cool. And the reason I did that was just to show you something else. This middle section is in fact magnetic. So we've got normal compartments around the outside and then this middle bit magnetic, keeps everything nice and safe. So we've got some angle nose tweezers in here, very cool. And this is ideal for if you're repairing laptops or indeed mobile devices. You could use it for full-size desktop computers as well, but it's really designed for the smaller components. We've also got this really nice screwdriver handle as well. Very smooth rotation on this as well, which is ideal for if you're doing delicate work you need to hold down and then sort of rotate this piece here. So very nice knurling to it, really good quality. So I like that a lot. That of course works in combination with all of the heads that we've got in here. So we've got cross heads, we've got flat heads, various types of sort of screwdriver. We've got P20, we've got Y0, 0 to Y1, P2 to P6. We've also got PZ, we've got SIM as well, little SIM removal tool here as well. We've got Torx, and then of course flat head and cross head as well. We've got this here, which is really useful tool, very useful for prying sort of cases open, for example. We've also got this tool here as well with a pointer on this end and a lever type connection on this end. Again, really useful for removing the likes of screens and other components. We've also got this one here, little tiny notch in this end, flat head and a pointer head on this end. And then we've got another tool here, which again, very useful tool. So some of these will be used for removing components and chips. They are very well made indeed. We've also got these here. And again, we've got one, I think there's 4 of these, 2, 3, 4 of these. And these are little sort of pry tools where you would perhaps pop them in and you would leave them in place to go around the edge of something to remove clips. So very useful that we've got 4 of those in the kit as well. This is a really well thought out toolkit. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, it's designed for laptops and mobile devices. So if you're doing repairs to that type of device, having something like this is really recommended. It's superbly designed, really good quality, comes in this very useful case. I can highly recommend that you check this out. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. If you enjoyed my video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and I'll see you in another video very soon.